Welcome everybody, Jaye Wellness with you. This topic today is some of the effects of juicing and why you should be cautious with it. And I'm going to break that down for you right now. Over the last week, I received a question on the Jaye Wellness website basically asking, is juicing better than eating the whole fruit or veggie? And my quick and easy response to that is, not exactly. It is always better to consume the actual fruit or veggie, and let me explain why. One of the advantages of juicing over eating the actual whole fruit and veggie is that if you have a hard time actually getting the adequate amount of the daily intake of your fruits and veggies, juicing is definitely a way to include some nutrients. However, it is not designed to just consume the juices of the foods and not actually eating the whole foods itself. One important note to remember is that many fruits and veggies contain high amounts of fiber. Unfortunately, during the juicing process, a lot of that fiber is lost. So when you're juicing, you're losing a lot of the fiber content that you can otherwise get when you consume the whole food itself. Just keep in mind that although you're eating fruit contains high amounts of sugar when added with other fruits. So I recommend, if you're going to juice vegetables and add little bits of fruit, little kiwi, little strawberry, just to give it a balanced amount of sugar. So that way your blood sugars are not spiking and that you have a good balance of veggies and fruits. And the final note of our topic of juicing is that if you're going to juice, be sure that you drink it as soon as you make it, because the juice is not pasteurized, meaning that over a little bit of time, and I do mean little time, it will begin to grow bacteria, and you do not want to drink it and get food poisoning. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that concludes our topic for today. There is nothing wrong with juicing some delicious fruits and veggies, but with anything else, we have to be cautious and be aware of some of the side effects of different things. That makes us more powerful when we're knowledgeable. Nothing better than being knowledgeable, right? Well, there is something as good as being knowledgeable, and that's having lots of wellness. Because with wellness, you have this. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well. Doing well is living well. Take care, everybody.